Deleting cells, rows and columns. We can delete existing cells, rows or columns if we do not require them further in a worksheet. Deleting cells. To delete a cell or a range of cells, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cell or the range of cells which you want to delete. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the drop-down arrow under the Delete option in the Cells group. Step 4. Select the Delete Cells option, or right-click and select Delete option from the context menu. The Delete dialog box appears with 4 options. Shift Cells Left. It deletes the selected cells and the existing cells on the right. Shift to the left. Shift Cells Up. It deletes the selected cells and the existing cells below. Shift Up. Entire row. It deletes the entire row of the selected cell. The row below shifts up. Entire column. It deletes the entire column. The column on the right shifts to the left. Step 5. Click on the radio button before Shift Cells Left option. Step 6. Click on the OK button. The selected cells are deleted and the cells on the right move to the left. Deleting rows or columns. To delete a row or a column, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the row or column header of the row or the column which you want to delete. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the arrow under the Delete option in Cells group. A list of options appears. Step 4. Select the Delete Sheet rows or Delete Sheet columns. The selected row or column will be deleted. The remaining rows will be shifted up or columns will be shifted to the left. Changing the row height and the column width. Excel allows us to modify row height and column width in different ways. In a worksheet, we can specify a row height of 0 to 409. This value represents the height measurement in points. We can specify a column width of 0 to 255. This value represents the number of characters that can be displayed in a cell. To change the row height, use one of these methods. Method 1. Click on the row line or the row header line. The mouse pointer changes to plus sign. Click and drag the row to the top or bottom to decrease or increase the height. Release the mouse. Method 2. This method is used for specific measurement. Select the row whose height you want to change and click on the Home tab. Click on the drop-down arrow under the Format option in the Cells group. The Format drop-down menu will appear. Select the Row Height option. The Row Height dialog box appears. The default row height is 15. Enter a specific measurement. Click on OK button. The height of the row will be changed. Similarly, we can change the column width. Using Autofill feature. In Excel 2016, the Autofill feature is used to automatically fill a series of data in rows and columns based on the values of other cells. We can fill a series of numbers, days, months, hours, etc. When we select a range of cells and hover the mouse on the bottom right corner of the selected range, the pointer changes to a plus sign. This is called the fill handle. To use Autofill feature, follow these steps. Step 1. Type any 2 numbers in a series. Step 2. Select the cells. Hover the mouse pointer over the bottom right corner of the selection. Step 3. Click and drag over the cells you want to autofill. Step 4. Release the mouse button. The cells are filled with the series. Wrap up. To perform any function on a cell, we need to select it. We can edit cell content by 2 options: replacing text, modifying text. The process of changing data either partially or completely is known as editing. We can easily copy and move the contents of a cell, a range of cells, and whole worksheet. We can insert and delete the cells, rows, or columns. The Autofill feature is used to automatically fill series of data in rows and columns based on the values of the other cell.